You may have noticed that most plants have green leaves, and it seems that plants have green leaves because what occurs in that green part, the chloroplast, is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process by which carbon dioxide and water and sunlight are put together and converted into sugar and oxygen. We know that the oxygen is emitted into the atmosphere and we breathe it. What we don't know is that healthy plants in nature actually exude a majority of that sugar that they manufacture in the leaf down through the stem, through the roots, and into the soil. Between 50% and two-thirds of that sugar that's manufactured is actually not used by the plant immediately, but actually injected into the soil. And the plant does that to feed soil life, bacteria and fungi, which are its symbiotes, which are critical for it to exist. Plants evolved this relationship with bacteria and fungi because the plant does not have the ability to solubilize nutrients. It does not have the ability to exude the acids and bases necessary to pull the copper and the manganese and the calcium out of the soil. So basically what happens is that when the plant needs copper, it exudes what's called a plant root exudate. It adds a couple of amino acids to a sugar, which makes it food for a specific species of soil life, a bacterium or a fungi, and it feeds that species that is good at solubilizing that element. And then that species goes out and reproduces, lives its life cycle, and functionally ends up making that copper available to the plant in the form of protoplasm. And so there's this beautiful virtuous circle whereby the plants make sugar out of sunlight and carbon dioxide and water and sequester this sugar into the soil, which actually builds carbon in the soil as well and functionally feeds the plant.